Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-learn computer science. First, begin by understanding the core principles of computation. Focus on discrete mathematics and logic, which are the bedrock of computing. Then, choose a versatile programming language, perhaps Python or Java, and learn its syntax and basic constructs thoroughly. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to consistent study and practice to build a strong foundation. Next, apply your theoretical knowledge by building small, practical projects. Start with simple command line tools, then gradually move to more complex applications. Consider contributing to open source projects. This offers invaluable real-world experience and collaboration opportunities. Develop a portfolio showcasing your completed work, demonstrating your practical skills to potential employers or for personal satisfaction. Aim to complete at least 5 diverse projects to solidify your understanding. Once you have a solid base, explore advanced topics such as operating systems, computer networking, or artificial intelligence. Choose a specialization area that genuinely interests you, perhaps web development, data science, or cybersecurity. Deepen your understanding through advanced online courses, specialized textbooks, and relevant research papers. Consider pursuing a specific certification to validate your expertise and demonstrate your commitment to your chosen field. Finally, embrace continuous learning, as computer science is an ever-evolving field. Stay updated with new technologies and industry trends by reading blogs and tech news. Join online communities and forums to connect with other learners and professionals, sharing knowledge and insights. Utilize free online resources such as university lectures, interactive tutorials, and coding challenges. Remember, consistent effort and a curious mind are your greatest assets in this journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.